At least 6 Indian Army personnel, including 3 officers, were injured when an officer opened fire and exploded grenades inside a camp in the Rajouri district. The tense situation lasted for nearly 8 hours before the officer was overpowered inside the armory. The army evacuated a village in the close area of the armory as a precautionary measure, the Indian police said. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has strongly condemned the Indian Home Ministry's notification declaring the DFP as an unlawful association. According to Kashmir Media Service, the DFP spokesman, Advocate Arshad Iqbal, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that as per the international conventions, the Indian Home Ministry has no locus standi whatsoever to ban an organization. All parties Hurriyat Conference leadership has denounced the ban by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government on Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, led by the jailed senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC leaders, civil society activists and other religious and political leaders said that Shabir Ahmed Shah and other leaders were illegally detained in 2017. Critically injured 10th class students come to his injuries in a hospital in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the student Sahil Bashir was shot and injured by unknown gunmen in the Vanihama area of the South Kashmir's Islamabad district. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has strongly condemned the ban on Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party headed by Shabir Ahmed Shah in Jammu and Kashmir by the Modi-led Indian government. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said banning a political organization on false and fabricated charges is a disgrace to the democracy. Aggrieved over bad situation of the Riyasi-Katra road, locals of the Bhaga and adjoining areas held a strong protest demonstration demanding its immediate blacktopping. According to Kashmir Media Service, the bad condition of the road is causing immense hardships to the commuters and the pedestrians. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a prayer meeting chaired by the convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar in Islamabad today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the participants of the meeting expressed sorrow over the deaths of the freedom movement leader Raja Hamid Ali Khan, Kashmiri student Naveed Ahmed, and mother of freedom activist Shafiq Ahmed Khan. Senior leader of the all parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Ghulam Mohammad Safi, has expressed concern over the plight of illegally detained Kashmiri Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in different jails of India and occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ghulam Mohammad Safi, in a statement in Islamabad, said India has put most of the Hurriyat leaders in jails under the false charges.